Good morning, Mr. Hunter Wolfthorne. How are you doing?
Yeah, doing pretty good. How are you?
Oh, fantastic. Finally made it to the end of the road. You got Armageddon, Lord Megiddo, then you got Iron Soldier. How you feeling?
I'm feeling pretty good.
Yeah, you one of the few that's out there made it this far. We had Sentinel Patriot, Green Lantern, King Solomon, and you will be the fourth person making it to the Act 3. How's that feel?
Feels pretty good.
Ready for the rubber to meet the road and the challenges to get harder?
Ready to do it.
You gonna be the first one to beat King Sentry?
I am, yep.